Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy potato chicken soup. This comforting dish is surprisingly simple to prepare, perfect for a cozy evening. We will go through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to simmering them to perfection. You will be amazed at how quickly you can create a delicious, hearty meal that tastes like it took hours. Get ready to enjoy a warm bowl of homemade goodness with minimal effort and maximum flavor. For this delightful soup, you will need some key ingredients. Start with about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, which you can dice or shred later. Grab 4 to 5 medium potatoes, peeling and dicing them into 1-inch pieces. Don't forget your aromatics: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 medium onion, all finely chopped. Finally, ensure you have 6 cups of good quality chicken broth and a half cup of heavy cream to add that creamy texture. Let's get cooking. First, in a large pot, sauté your chopped onion, carrots, and celery in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, pour in the 6 cups of chicken broth and add your diced potatoes. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Finally, stir in your cooked chicken and the half cup of heavy cream, heating it through gently for 5 minutes. Now for the best part: serving and enjoying your delicious creation. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives for a burst of color and flavor. This hearty soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or warm biscuits. This recipe typically yields about 6 generous servings, making it great for a family dinner or for enjoying as leftovers. You can store any remaining soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.